but the light fixture is actually okay. Probably can keep it, just paint, fix the walls. Formal dining room area with everything exactly the same. Kitchen, so it's fairly decent sized kitchens. The eat-in kitchen area has big, nice open windows. Exception over here, some of this wood, and you can see it right there also. Laundry room. Then you probably have to replace these two cabinets, which is probably two 30-inch. I don't know how much that costs, but it won't be that cheap. Probably costing a couple of grand for it at least, if I had to guess. Another view of the other side of the kitchen. Half bow downstairs. Gotta replace the room. I guess the former living room. No, not the former living room, the other living room. Fix to do out here just to make it look nice when you're trying to get top dollar. Got some siding messed up right here. Rail. You always need a rail whenever it's 3 steps or more. Here's the immediate bathroom upstairs. And look like somebody DIY'd this shower. So and here's bedroom number 1. Has a newer. When you see this, that means they haven't changed the filter out in a very long time. So they probably haven't cleaned it out, so there probably definitely need to be maintenance. HVAC, or might not be working. They already got the tray ceiling that looks nice. You change out the ceiling fan in this one, and in this one. And here's the closet. So a double vanity, need a big mirror or 2 different mirrors. They try to fix the tile. I don't like the tile colors in here. And the toilet is around here. We want to take an offer, you know, sooner than later. All right, so I always want to go check in the attic if I can. Or any holes up here. So normally you'll turn the light back off and see if you see daylight in the wrong place. The thing about this house, it has a basement. So we probably can keep these steps going down to the basement, change this light up. I don't know, probably want to do something about this because this look really weird. They got a sink in there, so they got like a wet bar. So we got a built-in fireplace on the wall right here. Bathroom down here. So I don't know how many bathrooms that is. That's 3. 4. Really weird. They made. Don't know which way the projector was facing. Put a fence up here in this weird shaped yard. Look at all these pine needles right here. These gutters probably messing up the siding on the house to make that happen. Then you definitely need the garage door replaced again. Like I said before, we'll see if we're gonna give it to them. Most likely we won't get this deal on this house because this is in a good school zone and people probably are putting their highest and best in here because they want their kids to go to a good school, which I guess makes sense. And then you always want to look at the HVAC units to see the condition of them. Then you will look at the numbers and everything. I'm not going to do that today because they look like they're in decent shape.